Hello students, welcome to our channel Study Fact. Now that your class 12 exams are over, what will be your next course of action? You may be finding yourself at the crossroads with no idea on which way to turn. It's about making, or more appropriately, choosing your future career and life. Choosing the right course and college is the first step in chalking the career plan. There are many degrees like BA, BSc, BBA, BCom, BDes, MA, MSc, MCom, etc. in various subjects. Only you have to choose which degree you want to pursue and in which particular subject. It's crucial since after the choice is made, there will be no turning back. So in this video, I will talk about some of the best colleges providing undergraduate, postgraduate and diploma programs across India with their courses, fees, facilities, scholarships, placements, etc. Also, you will be glad to know that we have published our study app. In the app, you will get college information and career guidance videos, chapter-wise suggestions, subject-wise notes and question answers for classes 8 to 12, and it has a special feature which is Find Local Teacher. You will get the app download link in this video's description. But before we begin, I want to thank all of you for joining into today's video. If you are new to our videos, please subscribe and also hit the bell icon to get more educational and informative videos. So today's discussion will be on NID Vijayawada. The National Institute of Design Andhra Pradesh or NIDAP is a design school in Vijayawada, India. The institute started functioning on 7th September 2015. This institute functions as an autonomous body under the Department of Industrial Policy and Promotion, Ministry of Commerce and Industry, Government of India. It is temporarily at Acharya Nagarjuna University at Guntur, Vijayawada Highway NH16, and it will move to a permanent 50-acre or 20 HA campus in Amravati, the new capital city of Andhra Pradesh. NIDV or National Institute of Design Vijayawada is the second autonomous multidisciplinary design institute, Government of India. NID Vijayawada under the DPIIT Ministry of Commerce and Industry is the first NID set up in accordance with the National Design Policy GOI. The institute offers only one course, Graduate Diploma Program in Design or GDPD. Next, we will know about this college's infrastructural facilities. The institute operates from a transit campus and it does not have its own hostels. However, the institute facilitates secure hostel accommodation or housing estate 1 kilometer away from the campus. Apart from the living quarters, there are facilities such as a night guard, doctor on call, vehicle 24/7 for any medical emergencies, a mess facility which caters to the cultural diversity of India, and a common room with necessary appliances. The housing estate also provides amenities such as ATMs, pharmacy, post office, department stores, and both indoor and outdoor recreational areas. Amalgamation of cultures throughout India and celebration of pan-Indian festivals. National Institute of Design Vijayawada provides transportation facilities to and from institute to hostel. Available labs facilities are computer lab and 3D printing lab. Other facilities are library, cafeteria, hospital and medical facilities. This college also has some several studios such as Textile Studio, Prototype Studio, Ceramic Studio, Industrial Design Studio, Apparel Studio and VC Studios. The faculty of the college is well learned in their respective discipline. They teach students by giving them the raw and real life examples so that the students properly understand their subject. Their enthusiasm helps the student maintain their interest in the subject. Various extracurricular activities are held to keep the students active throughout the course duration. NIDUS, a design shop where students or the faculty members or the alumni can showcase their talents to the outside world, is established as a part of such activity. This college has a campus size of approximately 50 acres and total number of seats is 75. This college offers graduate diploma program in communication design, industrial design, textile and apparel design. Eligibility criteria is passed class 12 in any stream from a recognized board and the qualifying exam, namely NID entrance exam. The total course fee is 7.10 lakhs. NIT Vijayawada offers only one course, Graduate Diploma Program in Design or GTPD. For admission, candidates need to clear Design Aptitude Test or DAT, which is an online entrance examination conducted by the institute. The allotment of seats is done at NIT Ahmedabad on the basis of DAT score. NIT Vijayawada GDPD admission is done on the basis of the score obtained in DAT, which takes place in two stages, prelims and mains. Candidates need to clear both these stages to be shortlisted. In addition to the education qualification, candidates need to follow certain age criteria to be eligible to apply. Candidates from general category must be born on or after 1st July year 2000. Those who belong to the reserved category should be born or after 1 July 1997. For Indian nationals under PWD category, they can apply if they are born on or after 1st of July 1995. NIT Vijayawada offers job opportunities to students in various streams like UI or UX design, animation, photography, filmmaking, furniture design, space design, product design, typography, and graphic design. Major recruiters belong to industries including design, IT, sales and marketing, FMCG, and BFSI. Many renowned companies visited the campus for placements such as Adobe Systems India Private Limited, Art Tinox, Jindal, Myntra, Bharat Skills, Cognizant, Deloitte, Future Group, Grofers, Tanishq, Info Edge India Limited, Trident, and Tata Motors. Friends, you can find the contact number, address, email, website, and online admission link of the college in this video's description. So thank you friends for being with us throughout the video. If this video seems to be informative to you, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. Also, don't forget to click on the bell icon to never miss further updates. Friends, if you want a video on a particular college, feel free to let us know in the comment section. Also, if I missed some points about this college that you know, you can also mention that. So that's all for now. I will be back with another video discussing about another college. Till then, goodbye.